Welcome to DocuSign eSignature, the easy, fast, and secure way to send, sign, and manage all of your documents. To get started, look for an account activation email from us. Follow the prompts to set up your password and log in to DocuSign for the first time. The home page is the default view, where you'll find an overview of your recent envelopes, including any that require action. Use the Start menu to quickly take common actions on your account, such as signing or sending a new envelope. Use the Agreements page to organize and access your envelopes. You can use the envelope filters and search features to quickly find envelopes you need. You can view envelopes by status, take any additional actions, and organize your envelopes into folders. The Templates page lets you manage, create, and update your templates and web forms. The Insights page provides dashboards and reports to help you track your agreements and monitor your account with real-time data. Select Reports to view all report types available. If you're a DocuSign administrator, you can access the Admin page to manage your account users and settings. From your profile icon, you can manage your profile and account preferences. Click Manage Profile to manage your personal profile information, including name and email address, and to add or update your account signature. Click My Preferences to manage your account settings, including your contact list and notifications. Finally, click the question mark for helpful links to learning resources and to access the DocuSign Support Center.